Inspection is a crucial part of any construction project. It ensures that everything is being built according to plan, and that any issues are identified and addressed promptly. With Signax inspection, this process is made even simpler. Drones technology in the construction industry provides major benefits for contractors, consultant agencies, and developers such as monitoring, surveying, progress reporting, volumetric estimation, and inventory management. Signax licensed drone pilots arrive on site to collect all aerial data required for photogrammetry and capture stunning views of your project without hindering any ongoing constructions or activities. Compared to traditional techniques, obtaining drone data quickly is now an achievable task and can be performed in a matter of moments. That will give you an overview of works that would be impossible to observe from the ground. With weekly and monthly site visits, Signax professionals will provide you excellent quality photography and videography produced on-site at flexible times. Signax Inspection Cloud Service allows you to upload drone panoramas. You can access a spherical images database, which allows you to pick a location on the plan and observe the progress of your project. You can rotate, zoom, and compare photos taken on different dates. This means that you can easily track progress and identify any issues that may have arisen since your last inspection. This is done by simply clicking a button, choosing the location of the issue, and filling in the necessary details. This creates an icon on the spherical photo, making it easy to identify any issues that need to be addressed. We can also see a list of all issues on the project and go straight to them by link. This is a game changer for anyone looking to track project progress and ensure that everything is going according to plan. In conclusion, Signax inspection is an essential tool for anyone involved in the construction industry. It makes inspection easier, more efficient, and more accurate than ever before. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make to your project?